The first step is to check the training wheels and the pedals, bike wheels, kites, installation tools, rear fender. And then we do provide a pair of training wheels. Please remove the nut and the washer during the installation. The first install the training wheels, then washer and the nuts. Please use the wrench to tie the nuts. Please do the same in the other side. When installing the handlebar, insert the bar into the head tube. Adjust the angle and the height. Then use the wrench to tie the screws. When installing the seat, just open the quick release and insert the seat into the frame. Close the quick release. You can adjust the quick release screw if you feel loose. The installation of pedals need to be distinguished from the left and the right. So don't be wrong. Use the right pedals into the crank, then tie the screws. Then use the left pedal, do it again. The rear fender needs to take the screw first. Then use the screw to pass through the rear fender hole. You can just tie the screws. That's all done here. Final part. Remove the screws from the bell and install the bell into the bar and tie it up. Now you may just fit the kite to the mount. The bike is all done from here, and you can enjoy it.